Perfect. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to get rid of dull skin. We're going to get rid of rough looking skin. We are going to get rid of dark spots and blemishes on the skin while tightening and firming the skin. We're going to make a remedy, guys, just for your skin. This remedy, we're using all natural, simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. We're going to be using some banana. We're going to be using some aloe vera gel. Now, when it comes on to banana, most of you might not be aware that banana is rich in potassium. It is also rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. Banana can help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. But what I like about the banana is that it can also help to give your skin a natural glow. When it comes on to aloe vera, you're going to find this in most of your skincare products. And aloe vera have been used for centuries on the skin. I grew up using aloe vera on my skin, and I even grew up using aloe vera in my hair. Now, I'm making this DIY and I'm going to add some other amazing ingredient to it, guys. So if you're looking for a facial mask that is a very soft mask but will help to clear hyperpigmentation, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and even boost collagen and elastin in your face, your neck and décolleté, this video is for you, so continue watching. My first ingredient is banana. And banana is a tropical fruit that is widely available around the world. They are oval-shaped fruit which is filled with vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and other essential vitamins and minerals that are great for the skin. Banana are packed with antioxidant that works together to provide hydration, fight off acne, improve elasticity, and even out skin tone. It even helps to get rid of dull skin while it is reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So here we have the fruit of the banana once we peeled, and we're going to use this part of the banana, but we're not going to throw the peel out since the peel is loaded with vitamin C properties. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to scrape the inner peel of the banana. This also can rub directly on your face to clear hyperpigmentation. So here we have the banana peel. So let's reach for our bowl and we're going to put the banana peel in. You can also go ahead and just use the peel. Now we are going to be blending the banana. So I'm just going to chop it up in small pieces for easier blending. And now let's put our banana to the side. And take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some fresh aloe vera gel. This is amazing to use on the skin. You can use it on your skin directly. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation, get rid of dull, rough looking skin, and it is great for all skin type, even if you have sensitive skin. All we're using from this is the gel. So I'm just going to extract the gel from the aloe vera leaf, and you're actually going to find the gel inside of the leaf. So to get the gel out, I'm just going to remove the upper part of the leaf like this, and look, there you can see the aloe vera gel. So you can choose to cut it out or you can choose to scrape it out. Let me bring my bowl closer. And I'm going to go ahead today and I'm just going to scrape the gel out. You can see the gel coming out right there. Look at all that gel. But you know what? Let me change my mind and just cut it out for you to see the gel better. So look at this, guys. This is fresh aloe vera gel, and you can use this directly on the face. You can just go ahead and you can just rub it on your face like I'm showing here to clean your face. Look how it just leave my skin just looking glassy and dewy right now. That's how effective aloe vera gel is on the skin. Now you can choose to use fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe. If you do not have the fresh aloe vera gel, go ahead and use your regular store-bought aloe vera gel such as this one right here, or you can even use a pink aloe vera gel. It doesn't matter. So now that we have the aloe vera gel and the banana, let's put this aside, and our next ingredient is going to be lemon. So we're just taking a small piece of the lemon. We're using the lemon juice today, and lemon is rich in vitamin C, which help to clear pigmentation on the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines. We're using about a teaspoon of the lemon juice. If you have oily skin, you can also use lemon on the skin. Just like I did the aloe vera, you can just cut the lemon and just apply it on your skin just like that. It's going to help to clear hyperpigmentation, get rid of blackheads, whitehead, get rid of the excess oil and grease on the skin. And look at that, guys. Look at the big difference, guys. You can clearly see how fast the lemon works on the skin to clear hyperpigmentation or to get rid of dull skin. So here in our bowl, we have lemon juice, we have banana, and we have aloe vera gel. And now we're going to reach for our blender. And we're just going to pour all of this in the blender. Make sure to get all that juice in. And we're not adding any water to this. We're going to blend this as is. So let's just cover this. And I like to give it a little shake. And now we're going to blend. Now once this is done, we are going to strain. So let's open. And look at that creamy goodness, guys. So let's strain this. We're just making sure that we do not have any lumps in it. And I'm using a cheesecloth to strain. You can use any strainer. We're just going to squeeze this out. Nice and creamy. Making sure we don't have any lumps in this. So now, take a look. And this looks really, really nice and creamy, guys. Here we have our aloe vera gel, banana, and lemon juice. We're mixing well. And guess what we're going to add to this? Our next ingredient, and is our final ingredient, is going to be honey. And honey is a humectant that locks moisture in the skin. It's perfect for hydrating the skin, and it's also good for acne-prone skin. I'm using just a teaspoon of the honey in the mixture, 1 teaspoon honey. So let's pour this in. 1 teaspoon of honey. And what we're going to do now, we're going to mix it all in, totally blending the honey. Let's give it a little thing here. And the honey is very thick today. So you want to mix, and you are going to mix well, dissolving the honey completely in the mixture. This mixture is good for all skin type. Reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boost collagen and elastin, clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, friendly to all skin type. And now our mixture is ready to use. Now to use the mixture, go ahead and wash your face. Get rid of any makeup that you might have on the skin. And then you're going to take either your hand or a brush, and you are going to apply this all over your face, your neck, the décolleté. You apply the mixture. And you can also use this to wash your face. But I like to just apply it all over my face like I show it here on my hands, just for demonstration purpose. Then you're going to let it sit on the skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you are going to rinse off, preferably with cold water. Pat dry the skin. Let me rinse mine off. And reveal clear, bright, radiant, glowing skin. Now store this in your refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. Now let me reach for a container to pour it out. And here you have it, guys. Aloe vera, banana, and lemon with a bit of a honey. An amazing recipe that you can try at home. Use it on your skin. Give it time to work. Use it 3 to 4 times per week, and then come back and leave your comment.